Google Sheet is an online spreadsheet application. With Google Sheets, you can create, edit, and format spreadsheets and collaborate on spreadsheets with other people. Google Sheet is just one of the apps in Google site of online productivity software. Some of the other apps included in this site are Google Docs, which is used for creating word processing documents, and Google Slides designed for presentations. To access Google Sheets, it's necessary to sign up for a Google account. You will also need to use Google Drive to store and organize your spreadsheet files. Google Sheet is free for individuals and may be purchased for business use as a fee per user subscription. Google Sheets is supported on recent versions of internet browsers, including Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, and Chrome. These browsers may run on Microsoft Windows, Apple OS X, and Linux operating system. Google Sheet also run on the Google Sheets mobile app, available for iPad, iPhone, iPod, and Android tablets on the phone. There is lots of difference between the Google Sheet and the Excel, and here is the comparison between the Excel and the Google Sheets, the stronger to stronger. The features available on Google Sheets are similar to the features available in Microsoft Excel and Apple Numbers spreadsheet software applications. Google Sheet differentiates itself from its competitors with its robust collaboration features. For example, you can work on a Google Sheet spreadsheet in real time with another person, and you can use Google Chat in the sidebar of your spreadsheet while you are working to discuss your visions. There are few other really handy features that you will find on Google Sheets. First, it's important to understand that once you create a spreadsheet, you will be able to access that spreadsheet from any computer with an internet connection simply by logging on to the Google Drive. You can also import and convert Excel spreadsheets, comma-separated tab, and delimited the data and text files into Google Sheets. And you can export into these formats as well. You can also export into PDF or HTML format from Google Sheets. Similar to other spreadsheet software application, Google Sheet allows you to use formula editing to perform calculations on your data and use formatting to revive the look and feel for your data and your spreadsheet. You'll be able to create charts and graphs with the data, and you will also be able to embed a spreadsheet or individual sheets of your spreadsheet onto your blog or website. If you have an Android mobile device, you can download the Google Sheets mobile app to view, create, edit, and collaborate on Google Sheet spreadsheets while you are on the go. If you need to collaborate on your spreadsheets, when you would like to have access to your spreadsheets from range of devices and locations, Google Sheets can be a great choice for your work.